Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with essentials. Confirm thread type and size match the fabric and machine. Once done, power off and remove the needle plate, clear lint from feed dogs, tension discs, and shuttle race so thread can flow. Make sure the bobbin case sits squarely and the bobbin winds evenly. Next, inspect the needle for burrs or bends and reinstall it with the flat shank oriented correctly. These first steps eliminate most common mechanical causes of thread breakage. Now you move into detailed adjustments. Rethread the machine slowly, ensuring the thread seats in each guide and tension disc. Rotate the hand wheel and observe the hook catching the thread eye. If thread still breaks, reduce upper tension one step and sew a test seam. Increase only if loops appear on the underside. Check bobbin tension and case drop in alignment. If the hook timing is off, hook misses the needle eye, you must correct timing per the service manual. This prevents repeated breakage. Finish by running the machine at working speed on scrap fabric to confirm stitch formation and stable feed. You want even stitches with no snapping or shredding. If issues persist, change to a new needle of correct size and try a different good quality thread to rule out brittle thread. Use a magnifier to find tiny burrs on the needle plate, needle, or hook. Lightly lubricate specified points and reassemble. If breakage continues, stop and consult timing or professional service. Don't force the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.